I feel मैं इस फिल्म के दौरान बहुत खुल गई. Just feel like फट गई. अभी ये लोग सिर्फ कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं.
We are not best friends or anything like that.
How,
dude?
But
we are
I
not
used to
best
think we were best friends.
We are best friends?
Till this moment, I thought we were best friends.
We are best friends.
And you know all my secrets. Anything he asks me,
Obviously.
anything happens, like, just know that Varun Dhawan knows. It's like your sleeping hours. You know, he made me sleep on the floor.
What rubbish, yeah. One minute, we were going to... She drugged me on a flight once.
That's not true.
It is true. So, me and Mani started drinking from the morning to be drunk. And then by like 2, we were slurring. Editing Homebound, Martin Scorsese is one of the producers on their film.
Yeah.
He spoke about her character and he said, and the actress who played it, she's so good in it. And I heard it.
Yeah, अभी जो बोलना है बोलो. मार्टिन स्कॉर्सेज़ी ने तारीफ कर ली.
लोग बोलेंगे अरे बट फ्रिविलियस है, कॉमेडी है, ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है. बट ठीक है, मैं नहीं हूँ इतना इंटेलिजेंट.
मैं तो मेरी तो फटती है ना बोलने से, तो मैं हर चीज़ को हाँ बोल देती हूँ. And then I like think of ways to. But the one time that I was like, no, I will be clear and I'll be upfront, and I said no and I gave my reasons and I got yelled at.
The heroine of Chalbaz is telling me this.
Yeah.
Because I'd seen that film a lot when I was doing Judva and I was prepping.
Mom was actually a huge Govinda fan.
Okay.
She used to love watching his comedy. I love Ram sir. He's such a gentleman. He's such an amazing energy. Such a diligent, sincere. He's a huge star, but he comes on set like a student.
You know, Varun, next up for you is Border.
So Sunny sir, Diljit sir, Ahan bhi hai, and me. Very, very unbelievable experience.
Hi guys, this is Himesh and welcome to Pinkvilla. Today we have with us two very special guests, Janhvi Kapoor and Varun Dhawan. And I'm so happy, or in a way emotional, to say that this happens to be my last interview, and it's with two people whom I am very fond of and know them personally and who have been very supportive with me all throughout. So thank you for doing this.
It's our honor, honestly.
But it,
Himzu's
honestly, even I am
last
feeling slightly
interview.
emotional because I think when I started my career, I remember Himesh also beginning.
Yes.
Mumbai Mirror first.
Yes. I've worked with lots.
Lots.
Yeah.
And,
But you are only 10 years old, it feels like. How you work?
No, yeah, 10 years.
12.
12 years. 12 years, almost as long as my career also. So congratulations and best of luck. And it's bittersweet because I think you've done... I mean, I have so many memories at Pinkvilla. We're doing, at the Pinkvilla Awards, doing the Nach Punjaban thing, which became very big over there. And interviews, which I think we did during Bhedia and Jug also we did. Bawal also we've done. So, yeah.
Yeah, I think Pinkvilla for me is synonymous with this smile, this
What is your pet name for Himesh?
Himzu.
Oh, but you guys have been a great support, so thank you for that.
Thank you.
I want to start this conversation by asking both of you a question. You both have done, like, you know, we come from an industry that is known for romantic comedies and romantic films. And now there is Sunny Sanskari coming on second. What, according to you, separates Sunny Sanskari from the other rom-coms which are made in Hindi?
In Hindi, I think this is the most irreverent and fun rom-com which will come. It's not taking itself too seriously, yet it has a certain believability in it, which Shashank Khaitan's all his films, as Humpty, Badri, he's even done Dhadak, all his films have that believability, even Good News, which he's produced. And at the end, his humor is very like relatable.
Yeah.
उसका जो humor होता है ना वो बहुत इंडिया के लिए ह्यूमर होता है, भारत के लिए ह्यूमर
Rooted होता है.
बहुत रूटेड होता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक अ वेरी अर्बन ह्यूमर या जो लोग मतलब बहुत मतलब अपने दे आर सिटिंग इन द आईफिल टावर्स एंड दे आर थिंकिंग कि यार ऐसा ह्यूमर है. सो एवरीवन विल रिलेट टू इट, द जोक्स, द ह्यूमर, एंड ऑल्सो इट्स हिज टेक ऑन लव इन 2025.
Yeah.
How today's younger generation are thinking about what love is. It's almost a love rectangle. Because nowadays you find very few people that they are invested in only one person. There's always another person in the running. Some people who's उनके जिंदगी में जब एक से ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं, that confusion होता है कि यार, and especially marriage being such a big thing, so at that point people do get confused. So it's a love rectangle, I'd say.
I think that's visible in the trailer as well. The
Which
confusion
is new,
around.
I think. Like, I don't think there's ever been a love rectangle.
No, there has been many.
Not in a while. I don't think there's been a family entertainer like this in a while. What was the last one?
Rocky and Rani.
Yeah, Rocky Rani.
Rani. Yeah,
Rocky
it's been
Rani.
3 years
almost.
almost.
2 years?
23, yeah, 2 years.
Yeah.
And Janvi, you have done a film like Dhadak with Shashank, and now you're doing Sunny Sanskari. Two films poles apart.
Yeah.
Which version of Shashank did you enjoy the more?
Can I be very honest?
Yeah.
I think even with Dhadak, of course it was a remake of Sairat, but Shashank added his flavor and his touch and his wo jo nubs pakadta hai na audiences ki wo humor ke sath. I think he added that flavor to Dhadak. But of course the scope of the story wasn't such कि मैं इस तरह की acting करूँ उस film में अजीब हो जाता. But I enjoyed this more. I keep saying this. I feel like through this character, this film, through whatever encouragement and egging on Varun and Shashank would both do, I feel मैं इस film के दौरान बहुत खुल गई. शायद ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा खुल गई.
With comedy and...
Yeah, I just feel like फट गई. अभी ये लोग सिर्फ control करने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं.
She's always had that keeda, I think,
Yeah.
And it was just time for it to be explored. You'll see, and it's so different from Bawal also. The way she's played her character, the way her character is. She plays a teacher in the film. And I mean, I would like a teacher like this when I was small. But it's a very fun character. I think everyone is a lot of fun. And there's no character which is, I mean, whether it's Sanya, whether it's Rohit, even they are not serious, like very serious characters. The kind of thing that it's happening, everyone knows it's a destination wedding and all this is happening. So वो जो मस्ती होती है वहाँ पे, can't wait for people to see it on October 2nd.
Yeah.
But what, according to you all, is the USP of the film? Is it the romantic portions and the drama, or the comedy?
I think it's a balance of the comedy with the romance, because I actually find the romance also very sweet and genuine and endearing amongst all four of us. In fact, even my scenes with Sanya, I find I really liked them. I love doing them. But I think for me, it's obviously also Shashank's rooted comedy and humor.
I think it's the tone he's taken.
Yeah.
Okay.
जो tone लिया है ना उसने पूरे film का, it's not a
generic.
It is a cinematic tone. उसका टोन है ऊपर ही है और सिनेमैटिक टोन है जो आप थिएटर में एंजॉय करोगे. क्योंकि ये रिलेशनशिप्स पे फिल्में या ड्रामा एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स ये आप ओटीटी पे भी देख ही सकते हो आजकल. द मेनी बीइंग मेड दिस द वंडरफुल सीरीज, वंडरफुल फिल्म्स व्हिच कम, बट सिनेमा का एक टोन होता है. तो वो टोन, आई थिंक शशांक बीइंग सच अ थिएट्रिकल डायरेक्टर, उसको वो टोन पकड़ में है.
बहुत ही सेलिब्रेटरी है. आई थिंक
रिवेंज is festive, like you said. And you know, when we talk of comedy, it's the most difficult thing to do. Who, according to you all, are the actors, actresses with the best comic timing
in this film?
In generally?
I think we both have the same answer. Govinda and I think Mom.
She was just saying, what did you tell me yesterday about Chichivia?
Yeah, Mom was actually a huge Govinda fan.
Okay.
She used to love watching his comedy, and I think how physical he was with it, his timing. Like every time he'd come on TV, she'd like giggle. Like, and I actually feel Mom had that comic timing a lot in her.
We have seen so many films.
Also, I think Akshay Kumar. Hands down. I mean that वो post 2000 era में जो अक्षय सर ने वो जो I feel like laughing even when it's being mentioned. Those comedies, I mean, I have grown up on them. I remember watching Hera Fairy in Chandan. जो चंदन होता था इधर. I remember watching that and going crazy in the theater. And I remember watching it in the first week with less crowd, and then watching it in the second week with full house. I remember feeling very कि मेरे को ये पिक्चर पसंद आई थी, अभी सबको पसंद आ रही है.
That you were the first to like it.
To identify it.
And obviously watching Jodi Number 1 and Deewana Mastana, Hasina मान जाएगी तो was a riot. Even एक और एक 11, even the Salman Bhai comedies which he did with that. I mean, I would watch them in the वो थिएटर में ही आपको समझ में आता है कि लोग कैसे react कर रहे हैं कॉमेडी को.
Yes, and it's also your genre. You started off with comedies and now you're returning to that comic space again. And Janhvi, you are, I think, doing it for the first or second time. Like this zone of
first time. This pitch and this first time.
Did you all have a blast shooting for all those comic moments which are...
And no, we had a lot of fun also because I think we mess around a lot with each other and like with I think the entire casting crew offset also. So it was just an expansion of that energy.
Janhvi and my personal humor is like dangerous.
It's not
like,
appropriate.
We'll be it's very inappropriate. It's very inappropriate. It's very like mean, sarcastic, and it's but we can only do it with each other, and it's like
If anyone hears those
I can't tell.
conversations-
I am not joking about this. We are not best friends or anything like that.
How
but there's
rude.
but we are
I
not
used to
best.
think we were best friends.
We are best
Till
friends.
this moment, I thought we were best friends.
We're not
Varun.
best friends. We are
Varun,
close
if anything
friends.
happened, I would call you up.
But
and
I'll be
expect
there for you,
So then we're
obviously.
best friends. And you know all my secrets. Anything he asks me,
Obviously.
anything happens, like, just know that Varun Dhawan knows. If you've told me a secret as random as it is, like
Oh,
your
God.
sleeping hours, whoever you are, I'm telling Varun.
We have discussed sleeping
What
hours
time
with
they
people.
brush, what time they sleep.
But we have discussed people's sleeping
Yeah, that's
hours.
what I'm saying. Every
That's so
detail I
strange.
know, he knows.
But we have the kind of humor I can share with her. Like I have my friends like bachpan ke dost.
Yeah.
Like boys. I can't even do that with them because they'll find it too
So
dark.
then we are best friends.
It's very
Varun.
dark. We share very dark humor.
But why can't you call me your best friend?
Because we are very close friends. Joey is my best friend.
And no one else?
Joey is number one.
Who's number two? I really wanted to be his best friend. I've spent 5 years since Bhavan, 5 years thinking I was his best friend.
But we are very close friends.
Fuck
Even
off, you're
now
not. I
he's
don't want to be
not.
your friend only now.
Why?
No. That's why you left me on that flight also. Man. You know, he made me sleep on the floor.
What
Really?
Ramesh, yeah? But this is not. One minute. We were going to Paris. We were shooting to Normandy, shooting for Bawal. Now there was no place in that lounge. So we both slept on the floor. Now the people who were sleeping on the sofa, they got up. अभी इसको वो अभी भी नींद में थी, तो मैं उठ के सो गया सोफा पे.
यहाँ पे आके
तो जब ये उठी, इसने देखा कि मैं सोफा पे सो रहा हूँ, ये अभी भी जमीन पे. So
You should have woken her up and
Yeah.
I thought then she would say, why are you waking me up?
No, I would have happily gone on the sofa.
She drugged me on a flight once.
That's not true.
It is true. I was unwell and she put like a sleeping pill and all.
But
of
he
that.
was a super spreader. What about?
Janhvi, it's not funny.
Okay, change. Ask us questions. You have 10 questions.
Yeah. When you're talking of the funniest moments and all, what is the craziest moment that you have experienced on a film set, which is very funny and wacky? Either
any
with
film
each other or otherwise as well.
On any films.
I have a lot of moments of me falling into rivers and all.
What?
Yeah. In this also, when we were doing that paddling scene, when I had to jump and reach Sanya, I fell down in the middle. There's a take where I've fallen into the water and I've come out wet, and then Shashank has got so irritated. And wackiest moment on a film set.
I'm trying to think.
Any film it can be.
Yeah, any film.
Yeah.
I think there have been too many. So much happens every day on a movie set.
I've had pretty funny moments with, I'd say with Manish Paul
Yeah.
on Jug Jug Jio, when during that climax scene with Anil sir, when he's getting mad, when they're renewing their vows, then I get drunk and I give a speech and all. So we were supposed to be drunk. So it's 7:30 बजे सुबह में हम लोग ने शुरू किया था. So me and Manish started drinking from the morning to be drunk. And then by like 2 we were slurring. Then we had to sober up then again, and next day बच गया shoot, so we had to drink again. So I think वो मनीष और मुझे ही पता है कि क्या हुआ है. And recently we had a very funny scene with Rajat.
Soon?
You know who Rajat is? He was in Bodyguard also.
Oh,
Rajat
yeah,
Ravil.
yeah.
Yeah,
So me and Manish and Rajat had a funny scene in in Jawani.
Yeah.
Ishq.
You can't remember.
I can't think of anything. I feel like everything is funny to me.
You have a blast on the film.
Yeah,
set.
especially on this one.
This one,
Yeah.
Yeah, this one, every scene was a riot, I feel.
But you both work together in Bawal and now Sunny Sanskari.
Yeah.
Is there anything new you discovered about each other through the shoot
I
Yes.
discovered that I'm not his best friend.
that you discovered now?
Yeah.
You are Janhvi. You know I love you.
No, I think I just discovered that I really like him. Like he's a really solid guy.
You discovered that you like me.
Yeah, whatever. Through the course of these 2 films, I think that on a film set, you're put together. You don't have a say in who you get close to on a film set.
Yeah.
You start knowing each other so intimately. But I'm really happy with everyone on this film set that, you know, we spent that kind of time together. And
Did you have a problem with anyone on this film? With
No.
Kumar.
yeah, Kumar.
Kumar
But we
is-
became friends because he
Yeah.
got me some coffee or something.
Yeah, he got you
me
something
yesterday.
recently.
So we're mending our
hates it.
relationship. Yeah. He doesn't, and he's put a setting on his phone that every time he calls me, the call gets cut. Or, like he's
No.
blocked me on his phone.
You should do a WhatsApp call then.
So basically, because I have a baby now,
Yeah.
and I've just put timers on call conversations that they don't go so long. because I don't want Lara to see me on the phone always.
Yeah.
And she does anyway. So that I can keep the phone down, so I just put a timer so the conversation gets cut.
And then Kumar smiles at the back every time the call gets cut.
But Varun and Janhvi, we are living in a time where box office is also very important in everyone's life. As actors, what does box office mean to the two of you? Number one, and number two, how important is it to maintain the dignity of box office in
Good question.
I think it means validation from the audiences. I also think that like the demarcations of what was a successful film before and the frequency of it has changed a lot. Like I keep hearing this, हाँ लेकिन post COVID के लिए ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, post COVID numbers के लिए तो ऐसी film के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. So I think a lot has changed, but at the end of it, yeah, of course, box office numbers means audience validation, but I think a film also has longer legs now. If it's loved and respected, there's also we see so many films getting that love on OTT and then things like
See,
that.
I mean, if we are having an academic discussion about this, the release windows have become so difficult, Himesh, that pehle, if we had a chance to run our film for 5 weeks, 6 weeks, abhi kya 2 हफ्ते में एक बड़ी film आ जाती है. So your run is so small. For example, whatever date you take, if you release a film and next week 3 films are coming, your screens are going to get slashed. How do you, also the audience is getting that choice. Then there are English films coming. There are animation films coming. There are
there are regional films coming. There
are cricket matches happening. There's so many events happening. So life has become so packed with things. So as a film, you're fighting that also. And for us, like we know we have so much time, we have to make the most of it. So today, earlier I had a very different take, but today when I see filmmakers putting offers and doing things to get people in, to entice people in, I get it. I mean, you should be like, nahi karna chahiye kuch bhi. To kare kya fir? Then what? We should wait for a time. See, because everyone is not making the biggest film in the world. Everyone doesn't have the budget to make a 300 crore film or 350 film. We are making a nice family entertainer and we want people to come and laugh and enjoy. तो हम लोग भी लड़ रहे हैं ना लोगों के टाइम के लिए. तो we want them to come. So we'll do whatever it takes, whether it is going for, we have gone for at least 8 garbas till now.
And we have 3 more to do.
Wow. I genuinely want people in Gujarat to come and see this film because I know Gujarat में comedies चलती है. But बहुत time से नहीं चली.
और clean family films भी बहुत चलती है.
तो ये वो किस्म की film है and I think families will enjoy it all over, whether it's Delhi, UP, whether it's CPC or Rajasthan, whether it's Gujarat, Maharashtra. Even Maharashtra needs to, start coming and watching everyone's films more. So this is that kind of a film. It's a very fun film, which I think the youth also will like and enjoy. So that's why we pitched it like that, we want them, and that's why October 2nd, because I think the producers felt, Charan felt and Shashank felt and everyone felt that, it's a holiday, it's a celebratory time, and we know that the size of the box office is big enough. So people hopefully will come on that day.
Correct. No, of course, that windowing is a problem in today's time. There are so many films being made from across. Initially, it was just Hindi. Now it's everything coming together. So
exactly.
That has changed.
And that's not wrong.
I think it's a good thing in a way.
It's good for cinema. Everyone pulls up their socks. But at the same time,
you have to readapt.
There are differences in budgets of films, and what you can offer.
Yes.
We can't have a dinosaur appear in Sunny Sanskari from behind and excite people like that. It's ultimately of us doing masti and fun, and you're getting into that vibe. We have the songs, we have all that. We have Panwadi, we have Perfect, Bijuriya. It's about that.
But Janhvi, for you, you are doing a film like Sunny Sanskari, you are doing Param, and in between there is a film like Homebound. How do you manage to, like in the midst of a commercial setup, you are also trying to find a small film which challenges the actor in you?
Yeah.
What's the thought behind it? I mean,
I didn't think it through this much. Ki acha ek commercial kar rahi ho, ek aisa
I mean, it happened by chance, but I'm saying you just.
Listen, I think it's my biggest honor and privilege, and I'm so grateful that I had the opportunity to. I didn't do Homebound I swear to God, to gain anything from it. I just feel strongly about the people who are making this film. I've been dying to work with Neeraj sir, and I feel very strongly about the story. So for me, I think most films, however excited you are, to some extent it is a transactional thing. You're hoping it becomes a big hit, it does this, you're hoping acha isme paise, like something. But Homebound was the there was no amount of transactional elements in me doing Homebound, and it was a very fruitful, cathartic experience. And I think when I read the script, I felt like I feel more responsible to be a better person after reading the script, and I want to do this film. And I hope people feel similarly after they see the film. So I think there is always that little kida in me that wants to do movies like that.
So, what I did hear, which she was very excited about,
Yeah.
I think when they were editing Homebound, Martin Scorsese is one of the producers on their film.
Yeah.
And I think when he was giving them editing notes and he was discussing with Neeraj sir, he spoke about her character and he said, and the actress who played it, she's so good in it. And I heard it.
Yeah, she's
Wow.
very good. Yeah, and I was like, abhi jo bolna hai, bolo. Martin Scorsese ne तारीफ कर ली.
And that's pretty cool. And even I was like, oh my god, that is Martin Scorsese.
No, but I think वो कीड़ा है. जितना भी ये like things like this are fruitful and they're fun and they get you the reach and the popularity. वो एक कीड़ा मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती यार. वो है मेरे अंदर.
Playing on both the wickets.
Yeah.
Basically. But do you think it's difficult to make films in today's time as compared to what it was maybe 10 years back or 5 years back?
Yeah, money-wise, I think everyone's a bit more edgy right now in the production sector, and fair enough here. Nobody wants to lose money and stuff like that. Also, one thing which I think what did happen, the entire industry got very comfortable making films with the money that was coming from OTT.
Yeah.
And satellite.
Yeah.
And music. So we got very comfortable making films in this way. Ki the finance will come from here and then we will make it.
Yeah.
And that, in a way, it's very easy to lose your passion when you do that.
Yeah.
You know?
It becomes an Excel sheet.
Yeah, like a
becomes
safety net
Yeah.
तो है ही. तो
Take for slightly you can
Yeah.
take things for granted कि ठीक है ये जाने देते हैं.
like you know what Papa always says, no guts, no glory. Like you have to have skin in the game.
Yes.
You can't play safe.
And we have seen he has
वो
to
कुछ
take in
ज़्यादा ही
so many
skin
risks.
डालते हैं. I hope वो थोड़ा कम skin डाले. But he doesn't operate from that safety net thing, and I think it's high risk. But when it clicks, it's high reward.
Even my father actually was saying this as well, that you cannot make a film unless you don't have passion.
Yeah.
There's no replacement for passion.
Yeah.
If किसी बंदे में पैशन नहीं है, और मे बी पैशन है बट फिर अगर वो गलत स्टोरी बोल रहा है तो पैशन नहीं दिखेगा. सो यू हैव टू हैव पैशन. वो पैशन होनी चाहिए. आप कोई भी कहानी बोलना चाहते हो तो मेरी बहुत पैशन है सनी संस्कारी की तुलसी कुमारी में, ये कहानी में, ये टाइप की कॉमेडी में, ये टाइप की एंटरटेनर में.
Yeah.
अभी लोग बोलेगा अरे बट फ्रिविलियस है, कॉमेडी है, ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है. बट ठीक है, मैं नहीं हूँ इतना इंटेलिजेंट. मेरे को नहीं बोलनी है बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट फिल्म. मेरे को एक टाइम पास फन फैमिली यंग फिल्म बोलनी है. मैं आपकी जिंदगी बदलने नहीं आ रहा हूँ, मैं आपका मूड बदलने आ रहा हूँ. That's the idea with this.
No, yeah.
That's
He's
my
been using it
tagline.
very often.
It's my tagline.
But I think that the agenda with every scene, every dialogue in the film for him, and that's one other thing I've learned from him, इसके अच्छा मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ इसके साथ कि audience सबसे ज़्यादा entertain हो. So his every step, every move, every expression is like, I want to give them a paisa vasool experience. What else can I do to entertain them? And I think I like that a lot. I like that approach.
It's a genre that even I enjoy. It's like go have time pass. and come
Exactly,
back.
वही idea है. And every other genre also चलनी चाहिए. सब कुछ चले. हमारी थोड़ी ज़्यादा चलनी चाहिए बस.
And you know, Varun and Janhvi, we live in an industry where it is very important to say a no.
Yeah.
Because you are offered so many films. Now, how easy or difficult is it for you all to say no, number one? And number two, has there been a instance जहाँ पे आपने मना किया और सामने वाला बंदा offend हो गया हो?
हाँ हाँ हाँ. मैं तो मेरी तो फटती है ना बोलने से, तो मैं हर चीज़ को हाँ बोल देती हूँ, and then I like think of ways to, which is wrong. But yeah, I've gotten yelled at for saying, for the one time that I was like, no, I will be clear and I'll be upfront, and I said no and I gave my reasons and I got yelled at. But I won't say who or why.
Obviously offend हो जाते हैं लोग, and वो लोग अपने पैशन के साथ पिक्चर बनाना चाहते हैं, and कभी कभी जब नहीं बैठता है, you can't agree on a vision, या आपको कहानी पसंद नहीं आई तो लोग हर्ट हो जाते हैं. उनको लगता है कि यार ये टाइप की सिनेमा बननी चाहिए. बट इवेंचुअली हम तो ऑडियंस के लिए काम कर रहे हैं ना. आई एम वर्किंग ओनली फॉर द ऑडियंस. आई एम नॉट वर्किंग फॉर अ प्रोड्यूसर और अ डायरेक्टर और एनी वन एल्स. आई एम एम्प्लॉयड बाय द ऑडियंस, क्योंकि वही टिकट्स दे रहे हैं, अल्टीमेटली वहाँ से पैसे आते हैं. एंड सो मुझे वो मेरे ऑडियंस को दिमाग में रख के आगे बढ़ना पड़ता है, वेदर इट इज़ doing entertainer. And also you can't listen to every audience and every noise which is on social media, because that is so manipulative today.
Yeah.
Correct.
That noise.
Yeah, that too can be if everyone knows it can be. You just spend money, you manage
Correct.
everything, positive, negative.
कोई
आजकल
बोलेगा
सब
शॉर्ट
कुछ-
फिल्म कर लो, कोई बोलेगा रील कर दो, आप वही करते रहोगे. No, you can't. See, my whole thing is that I have grown up on cinematic films, so I want to do cinematic films. I'm always on a lookout as an actor to get that one role or that one film which is so different from anything I've played and will challenge me and all that stuff. But वो time लगता है. Then I have to, stop doing films for a bit and just give maybe a year in finding that one crazy film.
Yeah, that's true. But has there been a case where you regret saying no to anything? कि वो ना बोला, फिर आया, and you are like, shit, I should have done it.
No, honestly, my no's have been pretty.
Accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe in one instance, but I would not.
Actually, in one instance.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe for one instance only. But I would not name the film, because then another
Yeah.
actor has done it and he's done very well. So मेरे को वो बोलना नहीं है.
हाँ.
He's done well enough. So I don't want to take away any of what he's done.
Okay. So both once. Both
Yeah,
of
just once.
Yes. And Varun, next up for you is Border. You have shot with Sunny Deol and Diljit. How was that experience shooting for a big scale war film?
So Sunny sir, Diljit sir, Ahan bhi hai, and me. Very, very unbelievable experience. Anurag Singh has directed this film. Bhushan ji, Nidhi, Binoy, they produced it. Difficult film to shoot. Very, very one of the toughest films that I've shot for. The terrain we've shot in, and try to make it as believable as possible. I'm playing a PVC's character, Hushar Singh Daiya.
Yeah.
So it's a great honor for me कि मैं वो किरदार निभा रहा हूँ. And आएगा वो थोड़ा they'll reveal. I'm very excited about that as an actor.
Yeah.
I know it's a very big film and people see it in different ways. But for me, मुझे कुछ artistic मिला वो film में, इसलिए मैंने की. The director that Anurag is, he really pushed me. So I'm excited for people to see the character I've played.
Nice. It's 4 months to go.
Thanks.
And Janhvi, what next for you? You are doing Peddi with
Ram sir, yeah.
Yes. Could you tell us something on?
Oh, I'm having a blast on that film. It's a very different, interesting character. And I think Butchi Babu's just such an amazing... I don't know if you've seen Opena.
I've seen it. I loved it.
It's a superb film, and what a rooted director.
Yes.
And he's got such a vision. And again, he pushes you a lot. And I think the character that he's thought of for me, I don't feel like that conventional heroine. He's really... I'm just very fortunate to be on that set, and I love Ram sir. He's such a gentleman. He's such an amazing energy, such a diligent, sincere. He's a huge star, but he comes on set like a student, and I love that. I can't wait to go back on that set.
And Varun, you also have one more film which is with David sir, Hai Jawani to Ishq Hona. How excited are you to do a David Dhawan film again?
Very, very excited.
It's a dream for most of the actors to do that.
Yeah, it's
100%.
my dream also.
100% it is. And we've got such a lovely cast and lovely people who have supported us make this film. I'll talk about it once we are closer to it. It's not the easiest journey when the man directing the film has the energy and the passion of an 18-year-old, but he is 75 years old, and he is my father. So his health is paramount for us.
Yeah.
And while making this, we had 1-2 things which were heavy things as a son for me to see and go through, but we pulled through, and God is great. And I think the outcome of the film, if I just talk about the film, is so beautiful and so nice it's come out. It's going to be very relevant to the film. And there's a lot of people without whose contribution this film would not be made. And my dad's first, he's the one who has spearheaded this film, but whether it is the cameraman Bose, whether it is Farhad Bhai, whether it's my own brother, these people have been like Gaurav, the EP, Ramesh ji, everyone's been like family. We made the film like family, like how I think films should be made.
Yeah.
So it's very emotional also. Even Pooja and Runal on that film, they've been literally like pillars for me, to lean on, and really there. And Manish as well. There's so much. Though it's a comedy, the making of that film is so emotional. and for many reasons, for a lot of I don't want to say anything because right now, but it's come together. I think we've reached where we wanted to reach, so I'm very excited for people to see it.
I've seen like bits and snippets and it's looking crazy. It's looking like so much fun.
Entertainment.
Yeah, I'm dying to see it.
Yes, even I'm waiting to see it. But this was it about the questions, and now we have a small segment where I'll test you both are filmy kidas.
Yeah, but my filmy
fully.
GK is very bad.
I think this is
My
not
general GK is better, which doesn't say much.
We'll try.
Yeah.
I think I'll help you with the hints. Okay, so it's a filmy quiz on comedy films.
Okay.
So I'll tell you dialogues. You have to guess कौन से film का है. And अगर उसका short memory है, so you can just give that short memory of that film.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one. मैं modern ज़माने का कुत्ता हूँ, एकदम latest.
This
Is this Akshay Kumar's dialogue?
no.
No.
Govinda?
No.
Salman Khan.
Yes.
From No Entry? नहीं.
Wanted?
No.
No, not Wanted.
मैं
This is a comedy. Ready.
Yes.
Ready. Anis Bhai's film. Yeah.
Yes. Any memories you have with that one?
Yeah. I remember watching that in the theater and loving it. कोई तो रोक लो वो dialogue था ना उसमें.
Yes.
And the whole amazing. Sudesh sir was also amazing in that.
Yeah.
He was damn good in that film.
Okay, the second one, 1-0. Okay, the second one, I'll give you a hint once I think he'll be able to guess it easily, but ठीक है. अच्छा खासा रणबीर कपूर मिल रहा था, लेकिन उसके किस्मत में तो शक्ति कपूर ही लिखा था. You don't say this. This is a dialogue from Varun's film.
मैं तेरा हीरो.
Yes.
Yeah.
मैं तेरा हीरो.
Any memories? You must have seen it much before becoming an.
Yeah, I was very. I don't want to say, but yeah, I had a lot of memories.
So ये कैसी acting है?
No, I really enjoyed the film. Actually, I have more memories watching Judwa in the theatre, which ironically also released on the 2nd of October, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I remember watching that film with mom and dad, and I remember mom was actually awestruck by him. He was like, he's got so much energy, he's so fresh, oh my god, and she was thrilled, and even I was like, wow.
I remember meeting your mom after that, and
What did she
I was like, oh my god, the heroine of Chalbaz is telling me this, because that's one of my favorite films. Like
Chalbaz is iconic.
Because I'd seen that film a lot when I was doing Judwa and I was prepping. My father had told me that please study Sridevi's performance for this, because that's the best double role you can do.
Yeah.
The yin and the yang and the opposites. See the way she's played it.
Yeah.
I still remember there was one Ganesh ka song, na?
Yes.
Ganesh Chaturthi ka song, and I remember there's
Bappa Moria.
you turn around and you had like longish hair, and I remember in that take mom was like, he's so fresh, and I don't know what she was trying to say with fresh, like you were looking fresh, but she was just very happy, and I remember me and her were like, oh my god.
She loved comedy.
She
right?
loved comedy, she loved animated
So good in
movies.
comedy.
Yeah.
She was.
Okay, the next one. I am a graduate from IT US. इसका
अक्षय
full.
कुमार. आवारा पागल, आवारा हुए दीवाने, वही ये रिमी सेन को बोलते हैं ना?
नहीं.
Finish the dialogue?
I am a graduate from IT US. The सामने वाला character ask, इसका full form, इसकी टोपी उसके सर.
I don't know, I've not seen this film for sure.
No, you have seen this. I'm very sure.
हेरा फेरी.
फिर हेरा फेरी.
हाँ.
Okay, and this is one of my favorite films of all time. जो चाचा है
वही भतीजा है, जो चचा है वही भतीजा है, जो भतीजा है वही चचा है.
Because I was like a toddler when I saw all of these
हसीना
movies.
मान जाएगी.
yes that is you should
insane,
rewatch
insane.
if you rewatch it even
I should
today
rewatch it because I was like not.
No, हसीना मान जाएगी, you lose.
you
it.
will
Really?
it's
a very funny
outstanding. It's a very funny film.
Yeah, it's very funny.
yeah it's one of my favorite films
Same,
made by
same.
David sir.
Same.
So yes, and two more now.
Okay.
Now you have to guess the film name based on the plot that I'm telling you.
Okay.
A woman dies and tells her preteen daughter to reunite her father.
कुछ होता है.
Okay.
हाँ. Sorry. Yeah, कुछ होता है.
Okay, the next one. Three roommates go on a weird adventure when they receive a call.
Oh, when they receive a call?
When they
Roommates.
receive a call which is not meant for them.
Huh?
3 roommates.
Yes. Go on a weird adventure.
हेरा फेरी.
Yes.
Oh.
They're roommates.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
You're thinking of some teenagers.
Yeah, I was thinking in that phase. You've picked a segment of
90s.
yeah, that I'm not very familiar
Okay,
with.
I'll say the next one.
I can think you can ask me about 50s, 60s, 70s or post 2005.
Okay, so this is post 2005 now. A drama that is narrated by a dog and
Dil Dhadakne Do.
Yeah. I knew it.
No.
I just wanted to give you the respect of finishing the sentence.
The minute he said dog is narrating, Amir sir did his voiceover.
yes,
Oh yeah.
a husband falls for a supermodel, leaving behind.
Leaving one.
Yes,
Again, you've gone.
but this.
It's not about going, it's just these films are there now. Bhi hai.
Yeah, these are all iconic films.
Yeah, I
Okay,
need
the
to
last one.
refresh my memory.
The last one. This is after 2005.
I'm at 0, by the way.
I know. The last one. Okay, this you should win. 3 men are forced to pursue a college course they aren't really interested in.
3 Idiots.
Yes.
Super.
So 1 and I think 10.
Yeah. But I think my one counts for like. What was the box office number of 3 Idiots? Like 100
202.
million thousand.
No.
202.
So that is my. Those are my points. So
100 million thousand. That's what you get. I hope we make 100 million thousand.
Dollars.
Dollars.
Yeah, can you imagine?
Dollar mein kamaenge.
And before we sign off, last thing that you want to tell about Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari to all the viewers who are going to watch this.
यही कि ना रहा मोहब्बत पे किसी का काबू, ना रहा मोहब्बत पे किसी का काबू, पक चिकपक राजा बाबू.
October 2nd को आइएगा, इस फैमिली एंटरटेनर को देखेगा, बहुत मजा आएगा.
और हो जाइए बेकाबू. प्लीज कम वॉच द फिल्म. इट्स अ वेरी फन फिल्म. बहुत मजा आएगा आप लोगों को. प्लीज देखिए. हिमेश के लिए देखिए. उसकी ये आखिरी इंटरव्यू है. आर यू
और
रिव्यूइंग द
उसकी
फिल्म?
आखिरी इच्छा है कि आप
You can't review the film. He
I
can't even
think you
review the
should
film.
review.
इंटरव्यू क्यों किया आप लोग ने then?
How can
Yeah, you
you
can't,
know?
yeah.
लेकिन से मेरी आखिरी इंटरव्यू में मेरी आखिरी इच्छा है कि आप सब
पर बोल दो अच्छा है. वो तो बोल दो.
पर वो मैं देख के
पसंद आ रहा है, मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ, मतलब trailers-
How will you say but then अगर तुम रिव्यू नहीं कर सकते?
नो जस्ट ट्वीट.
trailers देख के जो कल वाला promo था, that is also very fun.
No, but
That'll be
you can post still now.
No, you
Who's
can't.
stopping you? Why
Can you
can't
post your opinion?
I don't know.
Why
I have to
not?
check.
You're not like
I
in
can
jail.
post. I think I can post if I like it. Yeah.
I think you will have to post.
Now you better post
Yeah, he has to post now.
from your villa. He's leaving Pinkvilla and joining villa.
How I wish.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, guys.
Best of luck, Himesh.
Thank you
And
so much.
congratulations.
Best of
Thank
luck,
you so
Hinzu.
much. Thank you so much. It
Thank
was lovely speaking to two of you. So that's me signing off. Thank you for all your love and feedback. See you soon.